We are students at Minh University of Technology and Education.
Faculty of Mechanical Engineering.
Mechatronics. Specialized English. Today we will bring you a high-tech product. What is it?
We are the Reviver.
Hey everyone, I'm Cường. And this is my friend. Hi,
Hello everyone, I'm Minh.
the weather in Saigon is really hot these days. Weather like that makes every cleaning the house is tiring.
That's right, especially with mopping the floor. Every time I come home from school, I have to mop, sweep. It's so tiring. Do you have any solution?
I'm understand that feeling. I'm also looking for this solution. Why don't we try building a robot vacuum cleaner?
A robot vacuum cleaner sound interesting, but is it really effective or is it just a cool technology item?
I don't think so. When I learned about it, I found it really convenient. Just give it one and it will automate clean the house every day. From vacuum mopping the floor about the often.
How good is it easy to use? I'm not very good at technology. I only know a little about it, but not very well. I don't know how it works.
I'm not very good at it either. Let's try asking Đức, Duy, and Phúc. They are workers of our mechanical engineering major.
Andrew, I heard you are wondering about robots. It's okay to help me here. Robots vacuum cleaner market today is very vibrant, with the presence of many well-known brands, such as iRobots, Xiaomi, Ecovacs, and many more. Among them, the Remy L10 Ultra series of robots vacuum cleaner stand out for their standing feature and high stability, with an ideal choice for many families. Let's learn it about together.
Hello everyone, I am the valedictorian of the mechanics department. The machine we are talking about is the Ethernet Ultra. It is designed to back the robot at the base station. The invitation of Ethernet Ultra consists of the following components: a mop cleaning water container and a compartment for clean water with a capacity 3.5 L and a dirty water tank with a capacity 2.4 L. A GL dispatch compartment. The structure of Ethernet Ultra Robot included the following components. The standout feature of the Ethernet Ultra is LiDAR and AI camera. LiDAR is sensor technology that uses laser to measure and create a 3D map of surroundings, enabling the robot to chart the most efficient path. The AI camera helps the robots avoid obstacles, making the clean process smoother and more seamless. And other components such as carpet sensor, anti-rock sensor, direction well, auxiliary rose, main rod holder, mount pass, well, dustbin compartment, LDS navigation, controls button, AI camera, pump.
Hi, I'm Fu. This green robot vacuum cleaner weighs 3.7 kg. It's 10 cm tall and has a compact design. Both the robot and the charging station are made for high-quality materials, drug-resistant and durable over time. It has a battery capacity of 5,200 mAh, operate up to 210 milliamp taxis how to fully drain the battery. Is a high-end robot. It possesses a mass function for up to 5,300 Pascal, capable of sucking up even fibers without us having to clean it up. Clean up your home with a dual rotating cleaning system that helps clean rotary and is suitable for many types of floor, tile floor and wooden floor, and so on. Has the ability to automatically wash and dry the well. Besides, it's equipped with the ability to overcome obstacles up to 2 cm to help them more easily, and an anti-fall sensor help the robot detect and avoid stay high altitude area. The machine we are talking about is the L10S Ultra.
Using robots vacuum cleaner offer many significant benefits. First of all, robots vacuum cleaner automatically clean your home, saving your time from having to spend a lot of efforts on daily cleaning. You can control robots remotely via the app on your phone. Schedule work and control the area to be cleaned more closely. For people with business schedule, robots vacuum cleaner are great helper, keeping their home clean without having to keep an eye on them. Moreover, many robots vacuum cleaner can integrate with virtual assistants such as Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, making it easy to go control by voice. The benefits make robots vacuum cleaner are convenient and an effective solution for keeping your home clean in modern busy life.